Uncovering the Truth, a deep dive. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that you might come across in conversations, books, or movies. Uncovering the truth. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering the English language, and we're here to break it down for you. So, let's get started and dive deep into what it means to uncover the truth. The phrase, uncovering the truth, is a metaphorical expression used to describe the process of discovering facts or information that has been hidden or unknown. The word, uncovering, suggests removing a cover or a layer that has been concealing something. When we talk about the truth, we're referring to the real facts or the reality of a situation. Put together, uncovering the truth is about digging deep, investigating, and revealing the actual facts or reality that was not previously known or acknowledged. Uncovering the truth is fundamental in various aspects of life, such as in journalism, science, law, and everyday personal interactions. In journalism, it represents the pursuit of transparency and accountability, often leading to informed public discourse. In science, uncovering the truth is about discovering new knowledge and understanding the world better. In the realm of law, it's crucial for justice, ensuring that decisions are made based on real facts. On a personal level, uncovering the truth can help resolve conflicts, build trust, and strengthen relationships by promoting honesty and openness. You can use uncovering the truth in various contexts to express the act of discovering important facts or information. Here are a few examples. In a news report, investigators are dedicated to uncovering the truth behind the mysterious disappearance. In a discussion, we need to focus on uncovering the truth to understand the real cause of the problem. In literature or movies, a character might be on a quest for uncovering the truth about their past or a hidden conspiracy. Remember, using phrases like uncovering the truth can add depth to your conversations and writing, making them more engaging and meaningful. Thank you for joining us in today's video on Uncovering the Truth. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of this phrase and feel more confident using it in your English conversations and writing. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master takes you one step closer to fluency. We look forward to exploring more interesting phrases and aspects of the English language together. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning!